What's up, guys? My name is Henry from the company GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Kasoa. Here, we are coming to fix our garage door and then the motor. So we assemble the panels, fix the garage door, and then we fix the. As usual, I'm going to take this off. This is not the proper garage door. We are going to give you the modern and stylish one. So if you have any garage door projects, whether it's garage, gauge fabrication, anything, you should give us a call. And a crowd, Kumasi, and everywhere in Ghana. I'm very excited to show you the very final finishing of our project as we embark on this very wonderful journey. So let's go. What's up, guys? So we are done with our garage door, the panel, and the motor. Looks very clean and neat. Like we always say, we are in Accra, Kumasi, and everywhere in Ghana. If you have any projects, and you're even outside Ghana, make sure you give us a call. We will come around, we check the dimension, and then we'll send you an estimate. Once you get it approved, we'll come around and we'll execute it for you. Looks very clean and beautiful. I'm gonna operate it for you to see how it works. As you can see, very neat and clean installation. Don't put yourself. Make sure you give us a call. Thank you.